Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox One. Many gamers want to use their favorite wireless headphones, but the Xbox One console does not have built-in Bluetooth for audio. This means you cannot directly pair your Sony Bluetooth headphones to the console. Don't worry, there is a straightforward solution to get your game audio wirelessly. The reason you cannot directly connect your Sony Bluetooth headphones is that the Xbox One uses its own proprietary wireless technology. This system is designed for official Xbox accessories and operates on a different radio frequency than standard Bluetooth. So, while your headphones are wireless, they speak a different language than your console, preventing a direct connection. The most effective way to use your Sony Bluetooth headphones wirelessly is with a Bluetooth audio transmitter. Simply plug this small device into the 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom of your Xbox controller. Next, put your Sony headphones into their pairing mode, usually by holding a button. Then, activate the transmitter's pairing mode, and they will connect, giving you full game audio. If your Sony Bluetooth headphones also have a 3.5mm audio input, a simple wired connection is a great alternative. Just use a standard audio cable to connect your headphones directly to the port on your Xbox controller. This method offers zero latency, consistent audio, and ensures your microphone works for chat, all without needing any additional wireless devices or batteries for the transmitter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.